Watch this video and learn how to draw a purple monster. Later on, Artie receives a call from his friend Marty Monster. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Is everyone else ready? It's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
No.
Artie? Hello? Artie?
Maybe.
Oh dear. Artie!
Oh, hello.
Wow, you were deep in thought.
I was thinking about what to draw today. What should we draw?
I know. Let's draw a purple monster.
Ooh, good idea. Yay. Woohoo.
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to the show, everybody.
It's a lovely day.
Are you ready, Artie?
I am ready. Ooh.
I see you have a blank piece of paper.
Yeah.
Well, then I think we should start.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start by drawing our monster's left eye. We're going to draw quite a large circle towards the top of the page. You can draw the circle in sections. It's a little bit easier that way. Sometimes drawing a circle in one go is too difficult, so take your time and draw it in sections. That's a great circle, Artie. I love circles.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Everybody loves circles. Let's draw another circle in the middle, and this time we're going to shade it in black, but we're going to leave a tiny little circle that we leave white. If you're drawing along at home and we're going a little bit too quick, here's a message. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, let's draw the right eye. We're going to do the exact same thing again. We're going to draw quite a large circle in sections, a little bit at a time until you've got a full circle. That's it.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now let's draw a smaller circle inside, and we'll shade it in black. But don't forget, we're going to leave a little circle that we leave white. That's looking really good, Artie.
Artie, your art is so amazing.
Okay, thank you, Barry. Thanks for the song. Now let's give our monster a body. We'll start by drawing a sort of hook shape from the centre of the head coming down the left side of the face. Then draw a little V shape. And we'll carry on back down towards the left side of the body. Another little V shape. And then carry on back down again.
Oh, it's a felt time. Yay, yippee. Oh. Okay, Artie's here.
Hi, Artie, and hi to all my favorite creative kiddos out there.
It's so great to see you, Marty. Did you know you're one of my favorite monsters?
Me? Really? Is it because I'm orange?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors. It's so bright and happy, just like you.
Aw, thanks, Artie. You know, orange is my favorite color too. It's a color of sunshine and pumpkins. And guess what? Carrots.
Yeah, Bunny Fluffington would agree with you on that one. You're right. Orange is such a fun color to draw with.
Speaking of drawing, what are you planning to draw in the near future?
Next week, I'm going to draw a happy sun. And guess what colour the sun's going to be?
Blue? No. Wait. Green?
No, Marty. Orange, of course.
Phew! I was just testing you. An orange sun sounds perfect. Can I see it when you're done?
Of course, Marty. I'll send you a photo.
Awesome! And hey, Artie, if anyone asks, tell them Marty says orange is the official color of creativity.
I love that. Thanks, Marty. I better get going. Bye.
Have fun, Artie! And tell all your viewers, keep creating, and don't forget to use a little orange.
Next week, when I'm out of town, I'm gonna felt time with Artie too.
Yeah.
Well, that's something to look forward to, Artie, as long as Barry doesn't sing on his felt time. Now we're going to draw the right side of our monster. We're going to try and copy the left side as best we can. There's our little V shape. Then we'll curve around a bit more. Add another little V shape. That's it, Artie. And then curve back round all the way to the bottom, giving our monster a complete body. Coming up, don't miss Artie in a cartoon. Now let's give our monster a big, grumpy-looking mouth. Just a big curve all the way across, and then we'll draw a snaggly tooth sticking out. Oh, that looks good. Add another tooth, Artie. That's it. Make it symmetrical. Let's give him some legs. We'll draw 2 straight lines coming down from the bottom of the body. One on the left, one on the right. And then we'll draw a sort of sideways J shape for his foot. Let's do exactly the same now, but on the right side. 2 straight lines down and a sideways J shape. What's that music I can...
Oh, no. That's Painty's music. Oh, Painty. Painty is such a... Painty! Oh, no! Oh! Oh!
Look out! Uh-oh.
Oh, Barry, you shouldn't laugh. That's not funny. Now I have all this pink paint I've got to clean up. Artie, you finish the legs. I'm just cleaning the pink paint off the floor. Oh, it's everywhere. Okay, I think I got it. Now let's add some arms to our monster. A curvy line coming down from the right side, and then another curvy line just below. Then we'll add 3 little fingers. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, can we have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Yeah? Oh, okay. Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured orange.
Artie loves orange. A little orange cat. Yay, it's an orange ball. Yummy oranges in a tree. Artie loves oranges. Yum. An orange car.
You found lots of orange things today, Artie.
Artie loves orange. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It was a really good one.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We need to add our left arm to our monster. We're going to do exactly what we did on the right side, but this time on the left. Oh, I had an idea, Artie. Why don't we add some big horns on top of his head?
Yeah.
We'll draw a curved line first, and then another curved line below, And then let's add a little curve at the top to close the gap.
Hi, Artie.
Hi.
Oh, your drawing is positively perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon, my artsy friend.
Bye.
Let's draw 3 lines inside the horn. That gives it a more sort of 3-dimensional shape. Now let's do the left horn. Just like everything else in this drawing, we're going to try and match exactly, or as closely as we can, the shape on the left that we already drew on the right side. Don't forget those curved lines inside the horn. Well, Artie, it's looking pretty finished, I must say.
I finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
Now what should we do?
It's coloring time.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
When Artie adds color?
Yes.
What a great job, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
It's very colourful.
Came out so good.
Are you happy with it?
Artie's very, very happy.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
See you next time.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.